Hello everyone, this is Trish at Creativemind Creations, and I'd like to thank you all for watching my channel. To my subscribers and to you new viewers, welcome, and thank you for watching as well. I'd like to thank everyone greatly for subscribing to my channel, and so you new viewers, don't be afraid to hit that little button over there to subscribe, and also hit the bell to get the notification when I upload a new video. But today I'm going to be doing something, or showing you something different that I been hearing all the craze about, and so I decided to break down and get me a diamond painting kit, or what I've heard them call them now, drill kit. So I got my first one today. I think I got another one coming, I can't remember. But I got this one today in the mail, and I decided I wanted to show it to you all. So I'm going to be opening this. Oh, these are all so pretty. They're attached. Okay, wait a minute. Oh no, these are all one color. Cool. Yeah, these are one color, so I can just use them. I don't have to open them all at one time. I like that. I've seen other ones when they videos where they open up and they have them all in one package, and so you have to use risk. I guess that's it depends on how you got them stored. I guess the bigger risk of dropping them, losing them, and they all over the place. But I like this option. So these are pretty neat, and these are square. I understand that there are round ones too. These are all square. I love these colors. These are so pretty. And I ordered that's a lot of black. I ordered another one, so it's coming too. Let me see. I can't remember where I got this one from. I think I ordered through Amazon. I love these colors. Sorry about the glare, guys. One little pack of that. And that. And this one. And one more pack of that color, and that one, that, a little smaller, and some more t-shirt, and then another color, and then these are single ones, single pack. Well, this one has two. So that is all the drills. And I love dragons, so I have one with dragons, and I do love to get this one. I can't remember if I got it. I think no, I got it from, I think it's this from Wish. Let's see. I can't remember, guys. Give me a minute. Let me check. It's either Wish or Amazon. This is maybe from Wish, but it came from Canada. So, and I ordered it last month. I showed that. I think I checked it. I can't remember which site I checked, so I'm not sure if it's Wish or Amazon. Yeah. Come on, guys. This is so hot. Yeah, I got it from Wish. I ordered it on August 18th, and they said it would be arriving by September 22nd, but I got it today, September 3rd. And I have another one. This also I got from Wish. I ordered it on the 25th, and it says it'll be arriving by the 29th. So it'll be nice if I got that one early too. Okay, so this is the dragon. I love dragons, so I got that. And these are the colors. I'll check them in a minute. And these are all my tools. So I'm going to be watching videos first on how to do this. I mean, I got the gist of it. I mean, not the gist because I haven't tried it, but I have the idea of how it's done. But I'm going to be reading or watching more videos on how they actually supposed to be used, or how to do it. So that's that tool. And that, I guess I'll be learning what all these pieces are. These are little baggies. But yeah, so I am anxious to get started on this and see what all this diamond painting is about. One of my old friends, and she was an old co-worker first, and then, you know, on the job we became friends, and she did one a long time ago, like a couple years ago, or maybe last year, I don't know. And she showed me that she did a small one, and she said it was fun, so she did one. But yeah, so these are all the colors. I won't check these all on camera, but I'm gonna show you all the canvas that it come on. So I'm gonna open this up. Ow. Spicy just cut me. Okay, so let's unroll this. Oh, it's on a nice thick canvas. And this size, I got the big, I think, well, not the biggest size, but I got a fit. Well, I think it probably is the biggest size it was. 50 by 50 centimeters. I want a nice size one. Because I've seen some that where they're small and then you can, oh, look at that little foam roller. And when you roll it out, I mean, when you actually do it, then it doesn't, like, you just lose some of the picture, some of the pieces of the picture. So I'm guessing you pull this back. Like I said, I have to read up on this before I go messing this up. I want to see if I can pull a little bit of corner of it back and see. You can see what it looks like. Oops, it's tearing. But this is on nice thick canvas. So that's gonna be probably the sky. Yeah, that's the top right corner of it, because there's the dragons. Yeah, let me bring it back a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna like this. Isn't that pretty? I'm not gonna pull all the way back because, oh, sorry about the glare. This is gonna be fun. But like I said, I'm going to, do some video watching and research on how to do this before I go attempting this, because I don't know the first thing about it. I just know that it's becoming a big craze or whatever. I'm just pulling back because I don't want these wrinkles in there. I'm gonna put it back down. But yeah, I'm going to do that first because I don't want to mess it up, because it's my first one and I've never done this before. So like I said, I'm just pulling it back so I can get these wrinkles out of it, and then maybe it'll lay flat. But this is going to be gorgeous. Look at that. It's getting sticky. Oh, the wrinkles out now. So I'm going to be starting this soon, because I'm anxious now that because I didn't think it was coming this soon. I didn't think it'd probably come for another week, or at very least the date it said it's coming. So this is pretty fast. This is the back, and it feels like actual canvas, guys. Kind of, you know, painting canvas. So this is good and thick. This is gonna be pretty. And I always wanted to pick one up when I seen them at Hobby Lobby or somewhere. I think just the other day. Yeah, just the other day, yesterday to be exact, I was in Hobby Lobby again. And I saw some that they had on clearance, but I didn't like them, so I didn't get them. I didn't get one because I didn't like, one was of a puppy. And it was just of the puppy. It didn't have anything else on it, so I really like it, so I didn't get it. I can't remember what the other one was, but yeah, I seen some on clearance. So yeah, guys, so this is gonna be fun doing this. Again, this is what the picture looks like. I'm gonna count the bags later. This is gonna be cool. We got the numbers there, colors. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Well, thanks guys for watching, and I will do an update when I start doing this. I've never seen anybody do them on camera. I'm gonna look for those type of videos so they actually going through the process of finishing one. So I'll do that. I'll watch some videos on that too. But again, thanks guys for watching, and y'all have a crafty day. Bye.